I went in for an exam and the doctor told me that there's a possibility that you have prostate cancer. Came back that that's what it was. I lost my dad that same day. That was really hard to deal with. I had an incident. My blood sugar went up to like 900, which is unbelievable. My health education team became family to me. The genuine concern that they had and how they just cared for me. And sometimes I would go in there and be emotional, but I knew, I could feel it deep down inside that they really cared for me. And I love, them for that.
To make a patient feel comfortable and have them open up or learn about their culture, and you want to treat them as an individual. You get to know them as a person, and that way they're able to trust you and open up about their struggles. A lot of members are not even aware that they can easily access a health educator through their medical group. It's a benefit, it's free, it's easy to access. It's a great resource that everybody should take advantage of. Even the smallest changes in your nutrition and exercise can lead to the biggest health results.
I'm 48 now. I'm literally in the best shape I've ever been in all my life. One of my proudest things about recovering from a heart attack and how the health education team helped me was my weight loss journey. To say now, I've dropped since the last year 85 plus pounds. Small changes lead to big results. Eating things right, less salt, less sodium, no soda. Within a month, I was feeling better. They gave me access to healthcare online through a website that I was able to log into, look at, review what I learned. If I had questions about things I ate or any advice, they would answer it back. I do stop by sometimes to say hello to them still when they have their sessions in the morning. They meant a lot to me, and I appreciated it. I felt the Regal team was proud of what they were doing.
As a health educator, I've helped many members through their conditions such as high cholesterol, high blood pressure, weight management, and diabetes. Well, you can go ahead and reach us by calling. The health education team really provides that extra care beyond the doctor's office.
Health education can help with your current conditions, but it's also great preventive care.
I got about 4 grandkids. That motivates me to the point now where at 65, I feel like I can pretty much do a lot of things that I did in my younger years. I'm really grateful to be where I'm at today. Today, I'm cancer-free.
The whole team.
Caring for the whole you.